What is going on, Adventure Nation? Today we are staying just outside of Portland, Maine, and we're gonna head into town, get our brew pub on. This is the Motorhome Experiment.
Get our brew?
Well, yeah, not get our brew pub on. Lori and Laura are gonna get their brew pub on and brewery on. We've heard that Portland, Maine is a hotbed, a mecca, if you will, for brew pubs. And actually one of the first brew pubs in the United States is here, I believe. I've been given that information by a friend, so I didn't Google it to verify. I'm gonna have to do that, but we're gonna head into town. It's supposed to be pretty amazing here, and check it out. So come along with us.
Let's do this.
We gotta get Kevin and Laura first. I don't know if they're ready to go. Doesn't look like they're ready to go. Frosties, donuts, and coffee.
Look at that. They look like Hobbit
Ooh,
house.
that's cool. So where are we going?
He's going to Starbucks. We're going to continue to the Little Bean outlet.
Starbucks?
Is where he's going, and then he's going
Ew.
to catch up.
We are currently in search of the LL Bean outlet store. Kind of looks like LL Bean and Patagonia and a few other of the major shopping stores own Freeport, Maine. Just looks like a tourist trap shopping area. Definitely Freeport, Maine is about buying outdoor stuff. And it's very outdoorsy, but pretty cool.
Already got my shopping done.
Lori got some hiking boots.
Yeah, because I have to say, we bought brand new hiking boots from Skechers, and they suck. They really do suck. So
Mine are fine.
well, my feet just like has blisters and bleed, so mine weren't fine. So I have to get one pair.
I got a rain jacket because you might remember what happened to us in Boston. Land and water. We don't want that to happen again.
She said ice cream.
If they have the vegan Chunky Monkey, I will be in heaven.
We are just outside of Delorme, which is the mapping company, and it is now owned by Garmin. And they have this thing. This is called Eartha. And Eartha is, I think, the world's largest rotating globe. Not sure about that, but you'll have to Google it. We're gonna find out here in just a second. Come on inside. All right, and if there's any question about this at all, here it is. The world record. That's pretty cool. As the globe turns and we start to see the United States, we're up in here. This is Nova Scotia. And that's where we're heading next. Pretty cool. We are here in Portland, Maine, and we're gonna go check out some of the breweries. And when you're walking in Portland, just watch out. The really old sidewalks are full of little booby traps for you guys. So far, this place looks really cool. Should we go down that alley?
Yeah.
Well, of course, we're no crosswalk to be found here. I guess we can go up this way and then down. We're heading into Liquid Riot Brewery, and this will be the first of many today. By the end of today, Lori's speech will be perfect English. Table service, no table service. Oh, cool.
That he would walk on a leash. What?
Just enjoying some. Are they microbrews? You consider microbrews?
Made right here.
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's true. They're made right here. So yes.
But that's okay, 'cause I got no self-esteem and 1,000 lies and a great despise. Hit me right between the eyes, hit me right between the eyes.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Let's head up there. Oh, look at that crazy ass building up there.
All right.
Let's go this way. Oh, it is painted. It's not a real roof. That's weird. Portland City Hall.
Oh, look at the baby lighthouse.
That's the one in the water outlet.
Can we swim out to it?
Yeah,
Sure. You should try. Look at it. You go first.
let us know. So Lori, see this picture that I have framed out here? That's the picture you want to take. There's another one. That picture, it's amazing. We have made our way out of downtown Portland and over here to the Portland Headlight Lighthouse. and it's here at Fort Williams, or is it Fort McWilliams? I think it's Fort Williams. Absolutely gorgeous, very, very scenic place. And as the sun's starting to set, it's making it look even cooler. And we're about to go down and climb in some rocks and see if we can't hurt ourselves. You ready to do that?
Hurt ourselves now?
No, but to go climb on the rocks?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's do that. Let's follow the Millers.
Are we really gonna go down there?
Look at how nice he is helping his woman down the stairs, down the steep rock cliff. While I'm just letting Lori go over here and break an ankle. Oh, that looks really slippery right here. This looks really slippery, so let's see if we can watch Kevin do a nosedive.
Hey, you guys remember the crab video?
It is such an amazing setting here at Portland, Maine, down by the Lighthouse. Just absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful day. The weather's been perfect. The temperature is just amazing. And we've had a really good time here in Portland. What do you think?
So pretty here.
Very cool, right?
And the weather is just like so perfect.
Wait, it's pretty here when?
In the summer.
In the summer. In the winter, this is snow and ice and
Everything nice.
everything nice? No, snow and ice and just freezing ass cold. Hi there. We're here at the Portland Pie Company, gonna have some dinner. We made it back from Portland, back in the campground now, and pretty busy day. Got to explore a little bit of downtown Portland. Got to see, we only wound up going to one brewery. What's that?
Freeport too.
Oh, Freeport too, that's right. The Freeport is just basically a shopping center for outdoor gear.
But I got to have my hiking boots I really wanted.
Yep, and they had LL Bean outlet, they had Patagonia outlet, they had
The North Face.
North Face. They had a lot of the outlets
outdoor.
for outdoor stuff, so that was kind of cool. And neat little town, but yeah, for me it was just like a shopping, big giant shopping mall. And Portland was awesome. Downtown Portland was really, really cool. The Lighthouse was awesome. We did only do one brewery because the other ones closed at 6 o'clock. We thought they were all open till 11, but only the ones downtown Portland were open till 11. And so we missed Allagash. So for those of you guys who wanted us to hit Allagash, we blew it. We thought it was going to be open till 11 p.m. like the rest of them. We waited till the last minute. So what are you going to do? This is where we're going to close this one out. So it'd be awesome if you subscribe to our channel and stay up to date on all of our travels and everything that we're doing. It'd be equally as cool if you like the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in another one really, really soon. Thanks, guys.
Bye, guys. He looks so tired.
Now it's time to get to work. We heave.